Okay, so we finished the 10 small houses and we want to submit it to DPNG. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot. So if you look down on your keyboard and you see on the top right, you'll see a key that says print screen. You're going to press that. It's going to copy the entire image on the screen in the computer memory. So then you're going to open GIMP. Open GIMP. And so it's on your computer. It's not a browsing program. So you got to go to the Windows icon, Programs, GIMP. Now, you're going to go to File, New, and we're going to use US letter. We're going to use landscape, and then we're going to paste the image that we just copied from the computer memory. You can do Control V, and it'll paste the image. Now, on the right side, you see right here, you see a floating selection. I want you to right-click on the floating selection and select Anchor Layer. And then we are going to crop this image because this image, and by the way, here's the program that we're using. It's called GIMP. You got the little fox. We're going to crop this image because we don't want all this other stuff. So you see the crop tool is right here. And make sure that your name is included in the file. So when you save it, put your last name, first name, and 10 small houses. There, like that. So I only have a cropped image of just so I can see my name, I see the houses, I see the images of the house. That's all I need here. So now I'm going to export this as a PNG. So I want you to go to File, Export As, and it's already as PNG right here. So you're going to put this into your document folder in your computer. So type in your last name, dash first name, dash 10 houses, and save it or export. Okay, and then you go export. There. Now we're going to upload this file, the PNG, into Google Drive. So I want you to go into your computer applications folder, and that's it's not a doc, it's not a sheet, so just put it in here. So what we're going to do now is go to New, File, Upload, and you're going to go into your Documents folder, and then you're going to go inside your document folder, and you're going to select the one with your last name and houses. Upload it. It's going to upload. You're going to click on it, and you're going to go to the three dots on the top right, share, get shareable link, change this to more, anyone with the link, save it, copy the link, done. You can go back. Then we're going to go to DPNG, log into DPNG, go to your computer applications class, scroll down to we got to do 10 small houses, so click on that and click on the file. Normally you should have clicked on all this stuff. Let's see if I can submit it. Click on the link, next, paste the link, and submit. And let's see if it actually worked. Let's see, because I didn't click on the other files. And even though I submitted it, it's still, you need to make sure that you click on the other file. So you need to click on this formative assessment. You got to click on this tutorial, and let's see if it turns green. And no, I guess I have to do another one. And until all of them turn green, then you're going to get full credit. So then you go back, and there you go. full credit. Okay, that's it.